Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, granite crystal exterior badging, black lens tail lamps, dual dark chrome exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6508A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.